Hi there! In this video I would like to show you an important improvement in the latest version of my app, Python Valve. Until now, the components included in the Python Valve catalogs were available only as standard Valve components. There was a specific reason for this. In AutoCAD Plant 3D, it is not possible to create a fully customized actuator geometry using Python scripts. Because of this limitation, the detailed actuator geometry had to be built directly into the Valve model itself. This allowed Python Valve components to have a much more detailed and visually accurate actuator in the 3D model. However, there was also a disadvantage. Because the component was registered as a valve rather than a valve body, Plant 3D did not recognize it as a component with a separately assigned actuator. As a result, the actuator symbol could not appear correctly or at all on the generated isometric drawings. Now, the updated Python Valve catalogs provide the components in two versions, as a standard valve and also as a valve body. The detailed actuator geometry still remains part of the Python Valve model, exactly as before. This means that the high quality and customized 3D appearance is not lost. The difference is that the Valve body version allows you to assign an additional dummy actuator in the Plant 3D Spec Editor. This dummy actuator can use very small minimal dimensions, so it's practically invisible in the 3D model and does not interfere with the detailed actuator geometry already included in the valve. Its purpose is simple: to activate Plant 3D built-in actuator functionality. Once the dummy actuator is assigned, Plant 3D can display the actuator symbol on the isometric drawings and provide the related valve's orientation. So with this solution, you get the advantages of both approaches. You keep the detailed and visually accurate Python-generated actuator geometry in the 3D model, while also gaining the correct actuator symbol on the isometric output. I hope you like this update and thank you for watching. See you until the next one. Bye bye.